babies, today is a Q&A video all about skincare and health. And you guys asked me on Instagram. If you do not follow my Instagram, G_X, you should follow because I do answer Q&A sometimes there, sometimes on YouTube. First question, how do you get rid of facial hair? Very simple. I have done video. I'm gonna post the video down in the description box with a shaving tool. I do shave my face like once a month, and it's not true that your facial hair grows thicker, darker, or bigger or more, something like this. That's absolutely not true. I've been shaving my face for last like 4 or 5 years, and as you see, I don't have a beard. I don't see anything. I highly recommend particularly this brand because I've been looking for so many brands. I have not found anything better that shaves your face better than this. It's called Dermaroller. You can get it done in esthetician office, and it's really cool place. Actually, it's exfoliating. It's not only removing your hair from the face, it's exfoliating your skin, which is amazing. How can I naturally treat hormonal acne? I've been asked that question really long time, and guys, hormonal acne is a long process, and I've been in that situation. I can insert a couple of pictures that I had acne. I didn't have like a crazy acne, but I did have acne 3-4 years ago. And at that time, I thought, okay, I'm going to use this cream, I'm going to get this prescription cream, I'm going to get this topical cream and stuff like this. Nothing been working until one day I find out that it's everything internal. And the hormonal acne is a not correct name in my personal opinion, because it's nothing related to hormone as a root cause. Root cause of the hormonal acne is actually stress and nutrition. Yes, hormonal acne is due to your hormone imbalance. Your hormone imbalance, something is happening with estrogen, progesterone and everything. It's because of some reason, and the reason most likely because you're eating not clean food. Your liver, your gut system is all full of toxins. You need to do a detox. You can go ahead. In my last video I did what I buy from Whole Foods that are really healthy, that are really nutritious foods that really helps with the skincare, with acne, with having your skin clear. You have to keep doing detox, and you have to nourish your body, your gut system with the nutritious food, and you have to find the ways how to avoid stress. But imagine like this, if you have acne for a really long time and it's not going away, trust me, you have to invest a little bit of time in doing your own research. I can recommend you really good book. It changed my skin, it changed the way I feel, it changed the way I function every day, my energy levels. And when I had acne, I didn't know what was going on inside me. I find out after a couple of years from now 2 years ago, that I had Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It's of course related to hormones, but what is the reason? I changed diet, I avoid stress, and everything changed. Do you guys see? I don't have a single pimple, and just because of my strict really strict diet, really taking care and then falling in love with myself. Falling in love with yourself is not eating chocolate cookies or pasta or pizza. Falling in love with yourself, that's really nourishing your skin, nourishing your gut, nourishing your entire body, avoiding processed food, avoiding pasta, avoiding pizza, avoiding soda, avoiding all kind of sweets. There is a lot of information about that, and I can go and talk. I'm gonna make a completely separate video about acne, hormonal acne. If you're really interested, I'm gonna tell you what exact steps I did to get rid of it. I was treating my Hashimoto's thyroiditis. I was treating leaky gut that I had. I had SIBO, which is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. I had a bunch of shit going on in my body, and the first sign of everything was acne. Do you agree with all medical medium philosophy about celery juice? Yes, I do agree with him on the topic about celery juice. I do juice. This is also related to acne. I do juice every single day. I skip sometimes 1 or 2 days, but I use juices every single day. 5 out of 7 days I use celery juice. The other days sometimes I do wheatgrass with carrots, with apples and everything. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I always show you on Insta stories how I do juices and how I do everything. What do I eat? what do I buy and what kind of products I use and stuff like this. Juicing, celery juices are amazing, that made me feel really good. I do not agree with him that you have to be like a vegan, that you have to eat only vegetables and fruits. So what works for somebody might not work for you, what works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So you have to find a way what really works for you. For me, vegan diet and vegetarian diet didn't work. I was vegetarian for 2 years, and I know that diet destroyed my gut. My gut needs nutritious food. My gut doesn't need only vegetables and fruits. When I started consuming meats and everything, I started feeling much better. And this is not just temporary. Vegans will say this is temporary because it's kind of loaded with heavy stuff. It's not. It's restoring your gut flora. Read this book by this doctor who treated completely 100% from autism her own son, which autism we all know is not treatable, just mainly with the nutritious animal fat diet. Please tell me cheap place where I can buy alcohol for Dermaroller. Any drugstore, guys, in the United States, I believe in Canada, in Mexico, you can buy any drugstore, any food store. In Europe is a little bit more strict. You might be able to buy from the pharmacy alcohol pads, you know, those where you open the pads for alcohol. And if you don't have that, then hydrogen peroxide. Alcohol is really cheap. It's not even $1 in the drugstore. Last time I bought it was like 70 cents. How long should you wait to Dermaroll after Botox? Very common question. You should wait at least 2 weeks. So let's say today is Sunday, and you know you need to get Botox done next week. Don't Dermaroll 2 weeks before prior Botox and 2 weeks after you get injections. Some people ask me also very common question, oh, I cannot use Dermaroller because it's gonna make my Botox go away. First of all, Botox is injected into your muscle. Dermaroller never reaches the muscle. Dermaroller will never ever reach the muscle. That's completely not true. If you're going to massage with your fingers and you're going to do Dermaroller every single day just because of massaging techniques for circulation, for the lymphatic drainage and everything, it can impact a little bit because of the movement, but because of the needles, it's not true. Neurotoxins, which is Botox, is injected into the muscle to stop movement of the muscle. Dermaroller is used only for the skin, for epidermal and dermal layers, not the muscle. Jen, what is your opinion on rose quartz jade rollers? Do these rollers work? Maybe. You're not gonna see dramatic results like you can see with Dermaroller. If your goal to have just a little bit plumper skin and you're like 15 to 25 years old, that's okay. But if you're older and you really need the results and you don't have much time to play with this roller and stuff like this, that doesn't do really much, you need something more powerful like Dermaroller or something with the massaging, that you will be sliding on your skin and somehow you will massage deeper. Like let's say this is jade roller, right? Or gua sha is the same thing. So you will be sliding, right, for lymphatic drainage. So if you're going to slide with the jade roller, it's going just move. If you have, let's say, a DOLPHIN tool that massages, you don't feel and you don't hear, but it's massaging. This is like automated tool that massages. It has vibration. It vibrates. So when you're doing like this vibration, it goes deeper into your muscle and really can help you more than just with the roller. I don't know if you guys understand, but it's much more effective to have a DOLPHIN, or it doesn't have to be my tool or any other tool, than using just a roller. It has 2 modes. This is cool mode. This is hot mode. It's very good for penetrating the product into your skin. It's going around the fine lines over here, over here, over here, over here, even for the blackheads when you have open pores. More stimulating, for example, with niacinamide, with vitamin C serum. If you stimulate over here with this, your pores is going to shrink. At what age can we start using Dermaroller? 10, 5, 2, doesn't matter. There is no age limit. Whenever you have issue, if you have, for example, some scar, and if you are 7 years old, you can totally do it. As a beginner, what is the product that you must to have in your skincare. So beginners of the skincare always should have vitamin C serum or cream, then something that is moisturizing. So anything that moisturizes your skin, my personal opinion, has to have hyaluronic acid. Peptide, some product that will firm your skin. So basically vitamin C, peptide, and hyaluronic. This is the three product that you really need. But the mother of everything, prevention from the sun. Either hat, big sunglasses, SPF. Now they have this sun UV protection shield thing on the face. I'm gonna pop over here. It's really looking fun. This thing I think is cool. It's kind of looking weird, but I do believe it's something that really works. So prevention, protect yourself from the sun. Thoughts on rose water? I love it. I do have rose water, but I'm actually planning to do my own because I can't find which brand has the best rose water. I am for this, but make sure it doesn't have fragrance, bad alcohols, parabens. I always read ingredients, and I always, guys, recommend you to read ingredients. This was $6.99 from TJ Maxx. But when I read ingredients, there is at the end natural fragrance. Now, sometimes companies hide what is under natural fragrance, and maybe there is perfume. I don't know. I hope not, but it's very weird that it says natural fragrance. If it was natural fragrance, it will say like rose essential oil, you know, or something like that. So I'm not sure. Some companies, they trick you to believe that something is natural underneath there. But by law, they're supposed to expose what exact ingredient, because natural fragrance is not ingredients. Rose essential oil, it will be natural. I really like rose water, but good quality. Fenugreek tea water, do you have any insight on that? I know I have done research on fenugreek. I don't know how to pronounce it, the correct pronunciation. It's really good, beneficial plant that you can have also tea or water to consume, because it's really good for overall well-being, for our organs, nourishing and restoring. It's really good. I might gonna buy tea. I'm gonna get that for sure. My opinion, that is really good. Have you tried oil therapy? Would you recommend it? I have not tried oil therapy, but I have tried thermage. When I went to the doctor, which is dermatologist, I say I want to do something really good for my skin. So he said thermage and oil therapy gonna give you the same result. They work a little bit different, these lasers, but it's gonna give you good results. I have done thermage. I have no results, and I spent a couple of $1,000s, which is crazy expensive. I do regret doing this, but it's me. Sometimes people have amazing results. What feedback I got from all my followers after an updated video that I do not have any results after, I believe after 6 months I did updated video. And many people say because I am too young, that's why I do not see drastic results. I take care of my skin a lot with microneedling, and I think that's enough at my age. So I think it's good if you financially okay spending a couple of $1,000s on therapy, go ahead and do it. It's not gonna make worse. It's either not gonna do anything, or maybe you're not gonna see results, but it's prevention for the future, or you're gonna see results. I believe if you're over 40, you're going to see results. How to tighten skin? Great question. Tighten the skin many ways. If you're on the budget, start with Dermaroller, which is a very affordable tool. I do sell on my website. I'm gonna post down below, JinAmber.com. Another way, acids. I do not have any acids. I'm not kind of specifying in acids, but I'm gonna link my friend esthetician Tony Montalvo from California, San Diego. He specializes on the peels, on all the acids, which also is very good. Reversing signs of aging, is very good for hyperpigmentation. If you have like uneven skin color and stuff like this, it's amazing. It's a little bit pricier, but it's really good quality. MontalvoSkincare.com, I believe. I'm gonna link under this video. And tighten the skin, lasers. For the third option, you have to go to dermatologist and do professional lasers like CO2 laser, thermage, oil therapy. Lasers going to give you like that wow, you know, but it costs a lot of money. Or maybe you're not gonna see, like I didn't see anything after thermage. There's a lot of things how to tighten your skin. This is like 3 drastic ways how to do that. but also just daily care, daily routines of your skincare, using, you know, natural products, using vitamin C, peptide, hyaluronic, something antioxidants, eating healthy food, exercising, avoiding sun, you know, avoiding stress. Everything has a huge impact on our skin as well. Hey, just wondering, can I use ordinary hyaluronic acid serum with Aquastamp? With Aquastamp and other companies' products, I cannot guarantee guys results because I didn't produce these products, and especially ordinary, they use mostly everything synthetic. They do not use like hyaluronic acid serum. They do not use plant. My hyaluronic acid serum is plant-based. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I do not like ordinary products. I don't know how they make such affordable price product. Imagine, because I do have my own company, I know how production happens, and when you sell product for $8, cheap products, anything below 20 bucks, if you want to get good serum, anything below 20 bucks, I don't recommend you, because simply get just one serum. You don't need ordinary 10 products. Just one good brand, one product, and it's going to be better than having ordinary 10 products. Let's say ordinary serum costs $10. I hope they're not gonna sue me. Let's say some product, hyaluronic acid serum costs $10, right? Don't forget, in that $10, you're paying for the bottle, you're paying for the spray or dropper or something like this, you're paying for the printing or for the sticker on the bottle, you're paying benefits for the company, you are paying salaries for the employees, you are paying bills, power, light, internet, cleaning, blah blah blah, storing, lab, chemist, and everything. So when you narrow down all those, when you minus this, the product itself probably costs $1. What kind of product quality you can get for $1? Answer yourself this question. I don't want to say anything, just answer yourself this question. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please, if you have any more questions, leave in the comments down below. I will be glad to answer over there all the questions. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe, click that red button, subscribe. You're gonna help me. From my deepest corners of my heart, I'm sending you a lot of positive energy, a lot of health, a lot of patience to be with your skin. And if you are at this level that you think you never can be at that level where you're going to have a beautiful skin, clear skin, hygienic, healthy, natural looking skin. I'm not against wrinkles, I'm not against acne. I've been there, I have fine lines, and I'm working towards that. You have to dedicate time, you have to invest a little bit more energy that you would invest. You focus on things that matter to you. If you want to have beautiful skin but you're focusing on eating pizza every day, it's not going to work. Bye guys, I love you. Bye.